In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Volleyball Legends on laptop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase how you can join and play Volleyball Legends on a laptop or any other platform. So the instructions in this video will apply for any platform where you can join and play Volleyball Legends. All that you have to do is use the search function and look for volleyball. It should be the first result to pop up, so you will find Volleyball Legends by Volleyball Game Group. Choose the option here, and you can join either a public or a private server. For this video, I'm going to show you a private server. Now, if you are playing on a laptop and you don't have a mouse connected, so you are using the trackpad, you will still be able to play. It might be a little bit more annoying, but it is still absolutely doable. You will see the controls here. So you can do a bump or a spike in midair by clicking, you can set or block in midair by pressing Q, and you can dive by pressing Control. I'm going to join a private server as an example. And once you join, you can browse through all of the options. So use WASD to move around. You can enable or disable shift lock when you get inside of a lobby. So right now you can move around by pressing down right click and moving your mouse. You can zoom in, zoom out, all of the standard controls, and you can browse through all of the options. So you have your abilities, your styles, and you can use your spins to acquire them. Once you're ready to play, click the option here. It's going to take a while for the round to start. So when you see the message round starting, now you can go ahead and join. You will join the lobby here. Now, because I am on a private server, it's only me on this match. But if you were to join a public one, you would see other people as well, and a ball would spawn. So you can press left click to do a bump, Q to set, and Control to dive. Shift lock can be enabled or disabled by clicking on this button or pressing shift, and if you are in the air by pressing space, you can see that the actions change. So you have a spike, you have block, and set stays the same. So super simple to do. You can tilt your character while you are in midair for different actions. So as you can see by pressing WASD after you jump, you can control your character, and you can start playing on a laptop or any other platform. It's super simple to do. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.